Now today, let's start with chapter number 6, what is programming? In this chapter, we will study about programming. So a computer program is a sequence of instruction. What we call it? We call it sequence of instruction written using computer programming language to perform a specified task by a computer. इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? एक specified task को perform कर सकते हैं. The two important terms that we have used in the above definition: sequence of instruction and computer programming language. So for that, to understand these terms, consider the situation when you ask someone about how to go to nearby KFC. So what exactly do you do to tell him the way to go to KFC? So फिर you will use human language to tell the way to go to KFC. Something as following. First of all, you will go straight. After half a kilometer, take left from the red light and then driven around 1 kilometer and you will find the KFC. Now here you have used the English language to give several steps to be taken to reach KFC. If you are followed in the following sequence, you will reach the KFC. You will go straight and drive half kilometer. आप सीधे जाकर half kilometer drive करेंगे. Then afterwards, you will take a left, drive around 1 kilometer. You will search for KFC at right side. और आप right side पे क्या करेंगे? Search करेंगे. Now try to map the situation with computer program. The above sequence of instruction is actually a human program written, which is in English language. जो English language में है and which instruct on how to reach KFC from a given starting point. The same sequence could have been given to Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, and other human languages provided. So the person seeking direction knows any of these language. Then we have now let's go back and try to understand the computer program, which is a sequence of instruction written in a computer language जो एक specific task perform करता है. Like following is a simple program written with Python programming language. Like we can see that a computer program is also called computer software, which can range from 2 lines to million of lines of instruction. So computer program क्या है? देखिए instruction है that are called program source code, and computer programming is also called programming code. A computer without a computer program is just a dumb box, and it is program that makes computer act. So as we have developed so many languages of computer among ourselves, computer scientists have developed several computer languages जो हमें instruction provide करती है, right? Then Harman Goldstein and John von Neumann developed flowchart in 1946 to plan computer program. So what is computer programming? It is the set of instruction that helps developer to perform certain tasks that return the desired output. एक क्या देता है आपको? Desired output देता है. Now given below some mathematical expressions like you can z is equals to x plus y, where x, y, z क्या है? Variable है किसके? Programming language के. Then x is equals to 550, y is equals to 450. ये वैल्यू है, मतलब ये क्या है? इनपुट वैल्यू है, जिन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? लिटरल्स कहते हैं. Now, if there is a difference between coding and programming, yes, coding is subset of programming, जिसमें आपकी programming language involved होती है और programming method को हम design करते हैं as a end-to-end software or products that adheres to a particular guidelines. Then we have history of programming. Many historians believe Ada Lovelace was the first to create published computer program in the mid-19th century. She was a mathematician who translated Luigi Federico Mannabri's writing on analytical algebra. So in translation, Ada has added her own existing notes और इन्होंने एक अपना ही method of calculating Bernoulli numbers बनाया from analytical algebra. The work of mathematician as well as turning in machines were the first introduction on computer codes. So in 1920, computers were created, which was followed by earliest programming language. For the next century, a machine and technology continued to evolve, and so did the number of programming languages. Then we have programming process. We have 5 main ingredients, like we have defining the problem, planning the solution, coding the program, testing the program, and documenting the program. First is uses of computer program. So what are the different uses? Today computer program is being used in almost every field: household, agriculture, medical, entertainment, defense and communication. यहाँ पे कुछ आपको एप्लीकेशंस दी हुई हैं कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम की. यू कैन सी हेयर वर्ड, MS एक्सेल, एडोब फोटोस्कैन, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, क्रोम, ये सब इससे एग्जाम्पल है कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स के. सो कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड टू डेवलप ग्राफिक्स एंड स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स and movie making. So computer programs we are using to perform ultrasound, X-rays and other mathematical exams. हम इनका यूज मोबाइल फोन में करते हैं SMS के लिए, चैट के लिए, वॉइस कम्युनिकेशन. Then we have computer programmer. They are made for more influences. So types of programming language. We have different types of programming language. Let's study. We have CCC, COBOL, Java, Python, Perl, Ruby. Now JavaScript. जो JavaScript है वो primarily used web development and is usually the first programming language learned by the beginning. It is used for mobile and game development. मोबाइल और गेम डेवलपमेंट के लिए हम इसका यूज करें. Now programming language are grouped in variety of categories. We can see machine language कि लो लेवल लैंग्वेज होता है, इसमें आपके बाइनरी होते हैं 0 and 1. They are compiled into machine code so that code can be executed. ये किस में compile होते हैं? मशीन कोड में. Then we have assembly language, ये लो लैंग्वेज होती है, that is compiled by assembler. ये ह्यूमन कोड को किस में ट्रांसलेट करता है? मशीन कोड. Then we have procedural. To approach goes through series of procedure before program is executed. For example, Go and Julia. Like we have Go and Julia. Next is we have scripting language. What are scripting languages? That often does need to compile but rather interpret it. It means interpreter will read it, execute the code. वो read करेगा code को, execute करेगा instead of being compiled into machine code. Like we have Java, script and PHP. Then we have functional language, so that this work with the idea of building complex program through collection of smaller functions. Like we have Haskell, Scala. Object oriented language क्या होती है? It is this works with the idea of building programs around collection of objects. Like we have Java and Python. ये आपकी कौन सी language है? ये object oriented language है, right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.